Should you buy a dishwasher? What about the myths we know all around the dishwasher? Are they true? Well, let's try to put an end to the debate. Let's do some reality check. A few of my friends, they are using a dishwasher more than 5 years. Let's hear what they have to say.
Who doesn't like sparkling dishes? Sone pe suhaga if you don't have to clean them. Invest in a dishwasher. It's time efficient, hassle-free and zero complaints. I have been resting peacefully since last 3 years. So host your dost bindas. I got mine. Go get yours.
I have been using the dishwasher for about 5 years and it has been helping me effortlessly. Because nothing can be better than saving lots of time and energy and in turn getting sparkling clean and hygienic utensils.
But during lockdown, we eventually went for a dishwasher. And believe me, it has been one of the best decisions we've taken so far.
These are real people sharing their time-tested experiences with their dishwashers. They are happy and even being relatively new, I am happy too. Many times our subscribers, our friends keep asking this question. Should we buy a dishwasher? Is it really worth buying? Does it even clean the Indian utensils? The oil, the turmeric, the grease, how much water it consumes, how much electricity bill I have to pay? Well, let me greet you first. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. In this video, I will be addressing all these queries so that at the end of the video, you will be able to answer yourself, should you buy a dishwasher or not? A part of this video is in association with Finish. So, let's get started. Do you know why all our Indian utensils can easily fit inside a dishwasher? Because dishwashers have flexible racks. You can adjust the height upar niche according to your need to fit the big cooker or badi wali kadhai. Flexible tines help bowls, crockery, spoons, ladle, just everything to fit inside it. The best part is everything comes out super clean after every wash. Dishwasher saves time and energy both because you don't need to pre-rinse the dishes. In fact, you should not pre-rinse. It doesn't work like, hand washing where we clean everything before applying a soapy sponge. Dishwasher detergent needs a surface to stick onto. Only thing which can be useful is to remove leftover foods from our plate. Here is our dishwasher loading schedule. Thrice a day, after breakfast and lunch and after dinner. It is ideal not to let the dishes dry completely, but even if it happens, a good dishwasher detergent works efficiently to remove dry particles. Except for the charred portion, we don't need to scrub anything. When we are not pre-rinsing, not pre-scrubbing and it takes 10 minutes to load the dishes, it saves a lot of our energy and we can channelize to do other chores at home or to learn new things to update ourselves. When we use our hands, we know how much pressure we need to put to remove hard stains. Just like our two hands, a dishwasher has these powerful hands, or we can say arms, which spray water with high pressure, use hot water to remove stubborn stains without damaging the cookware, but uses less water, less time and gives cleaner, steam dried and hygienic vessels any day. Many times you asked how much our electricity bill has increased after we started using this dishwasher. Our normally loads varies from 35 to 40 loads per month. So the difference is 300. For example, if initially the bill was 500 rupees, now we are paying 800 rupees. So the difference is 300 rupees and that too will depend on per unit charge where you reside. Washing dishes by hand wastes water and I am sure we all have the same experience. According to the study, if we use 100 liters of water to wash utensils by hand, our dishwasher uses 11 to 12 liters of water per load. The difference is quite remarkable. Our dishwasher is the Mr. Perfect in all sense. As you see, all vessels fit perfectly, saves time, more effective than hand wash, saves water and electricity. Now hear me out. Our dishwasher can clean Indian masala and oil food stains perfectly when correct wash cycles are chosen. Our dishwasher has many different program cycles and temperature settings. Depending upon the tough grease and stains, we need to select the required settings. For example, I use intensive Kadhai option in our dishwasher to remove all greasy food residue, masala and oil. Similarly, just like the right program settings, we also need to select the best dishwashing cleaning agent for the best result. Here is Finish All-in-One Max. It tackles whatever you throw at it. This power ball supercharges the tablet to remove oil stains and tough grease so effectively, giving you a brilliant clean you expect. It works great even in low temperature that ensures powerful cleaning and pre-soaking action. Finish All-in-One Max adds protection against glass corrosion and glasses keep their shine longer. This tablet has all-in-one function of detergent, salt and rinse it. There is no need to unwrap them. And don't we all love that sparkling, squeaky clean wash every time? Of course we do, without a doubt. Just put it in the slot and your job is done. Huana, Mr. Perfect in all sense? I have prepared a dedicated video on how to clean and maintain your dishwasher. If the dishwasher is not cleaning well, check the filter to unclog it, and if dishes are having water spots, then check hard water settings. You can also install a water softener too. Your problem will be solved. Many times we spoil our crockery while washing by hand and there is a high risk of breaking too. But in a dishwasher, crockery can come out super clean and sparkling. To prevent crockery from fading out, choose the right energy efficient low temperature settings for them. The stainless steel or polynox inner tub prevents dishes from becoming scratched or damaged. Just like our washing machines, our dishwasher has the same dimension, needing only 60 cm width space. It fits perfectly into any Indian kitchen. I love the fact that I can wash dishes according to my convenience and without any dependency on house help. No need to wait for someone to clean the dishes. Load the dishes as you go. No more dirty dishes in the sink, which looks really bad, especially when you have an open kitchen style. And this simple step helps declutter my mind too. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a heart in the comments if you already own a dishwasher. And also share your experience, that will help our viewers and subscribers to decide whether they should own a dishwasher or not. I hope this information was useful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.